Living with allergies can be a daily challenge, but the Wi-Fi air quality monitor for allergy sufferers is here to provide relief and peace of mind. This innovative device is specifically designed to help those who struggle with allergies to pollen, dust mites, and other common airborne allergens. By monitoring the air quality in real time, it empowers users to take control of their environment and reduce their allergy symptoms. The monitor is equipped with high-precision sensors that detect pollen and dust mite levels with remarkable accuracy. When these allergens reach levels that could trigger symptoms, the device sends immediate alerts to the user's smartphone. This early warning system allows allergy sufferers to take preventive measures, such as closing windows, using air purifiers, or staying indoors, before their symptoms worsen. In addition to real-time alerts, the Wi-Fi air quality monitor provides an allergy forecast. This feature analyzes air quality trends and predicts future levels of allergens, giving users a heads-up on days when they might need to be extra cautious. With this information, allergy sufferers can plan their activities and medication schedules more effectively. The benefits of the Wi-Fi air quality monitor extend beyond just managing symptoms. By understanding the air quality in their environment, users can make informed decisions about their living conditions and take steps to reduce allergen levels in their homes. This proactive approach to allergy management can lead to a better quality of life, with fewer days spent battling sneezing, itching, and congestion. For allergy sufferers looking to reclaim their comfort and well-being, the Wi-Fi air quality monitor is an indispensable tool. To find out more about how this device can help you breathe easier, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can find my contact details on my page, and I'll be sure to respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. Let's take the guesswork out of managing your allergies with the Wi-Fi air quality monitor for allergy sufferers.